Hey everyone, so I'm here with Flowgenix, which is a waterless wash that shines and shields your car. So let's test it out here and see how it does. Oh wow, it's just taking the spots right out of the car, which is really impressive. It is really phenomenal. So this stuff serves as a water repellent. It removes dust, dirt, grime. It helps to protect your paint from UV rays. It's smear and streak free. And it has a super gloss shine to it. So this did a really, really great job on my car, and I very highly recommend it and hope you enjoy.